Think this is just another pancake? Wait till you see what goes inside. Start with maida, eggs, a pinch of salt and milk. Whisk it into a smooth thin batter and make delicate pancakes. Now for the best part, fresh grated coconut, sugar, and a touch of cardamom. Mix it all together for a sweet, fragrant filling. Spoon the filling onto each pancake, roll it up, and that's it. Soft, sweet and packed with coconut goodness, this is one of those old school treats that disappears the moment it hits the table.